Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix Apple Store billing problem. So first thing to make sure to you fix that problem is head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll until you see this screen time option. Just click on it, and once you click on it, just click on this content and privacy restriction option. So from over here you can see this iTunes and App Store purchases. So simply click on it, and once you click on it, just click on this in-app purchases and make sure you have allowed this option by simply clicking on this allow option. So that is exactly how you can easily fix your Apple Store billing problem. So hope this video was helpful guys. So first thing to make sure to you fix that problem is head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll until you see this screen time option. Just click on it, and once you click on it, just click on this content and privacy restriction option. So from over here you can see this iTunes and App Store purchases. So simply click on it, and once you click on it, just click on this in-app purchases and make sure if it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.